Hi, in this tutorial we are going to learn about some other basic tools. So let's get started with the mirror tool first. And for mirror tool, we will go to mesh and there is mirror tool. We will add it to the shelf first by holding shift, control and left click. Generally we want mirror geometry when we want other side of the geometry. Like we created a sphere here and let's duplicate it by Ctrl plus D key on the keyboard. Now combine both spheres to make single object. Now we want to mirror this along x-axis. Let's select mirror tool. Here it will bring us a menu. We will merge both from the center to make it one object. Now select face and we will select that and pull on this. It will look like this. Now we will mirror this object and we'll get the exact same on the other side too. Now again selecting and pulling out a face and then mirroring the object will give you same exact on the other side too. This is all about mirror tool. Now we are going to be looking at the merge tool in the edit mesh menu. This tool can be used on edges, vertices or faces. Firstly we will add merge tool in the shelf and here it is. Now let's create two spheres, combine them together. Now we'll go to vertex mode and select the vertices you want to be merged and click on the merge tool. And boom, here you go. Do the same again. And yes, if you repeat the same action over and over again, it will waste a ton of time going back to the menu again and selecting the tool and applying. So for the merge tool, instead of going back to the menu, just hit the G key on the keyboard. This is because G repeats the last command you gave to Maya. And this is all about merge tool. Now we're going to explore the delete edge or vertex tool. So in the categories up here at the top, under edit mesh, you will find the delete edge or vertex tool right here. We will have it on our custom shelf and here it is. Let's learn this tool on a sphere. Firstly going to vertex mode, select vertex and delete it using this tool. Now select an edge and when you delete it, it won't go away at all. It's kind of like this just missing edge. So you don't need to do it that way if you truly want to get rid of the edge. So just click on the tool and then you go. So this is the basic overview of the delete edge or vertex tool. Hope you found this chapter helpful. If there is something you didn't understand, you can contact us or leave a comment in the comment section. Take care.